What is a sensor? If a robot's brain is its processor, then its sensors are its eyes, ears, and sense of touch. In simple terms, a sensor is a device that detects and measures a physical property of its environment, such as light, sound, distance, or temperature, and converts that information into a signal that the robot can understand and process. There are many types of sensors, each with a specific function. For example, distance sensors are crucial for navigation. Think of ultrasound sensors, which work like a bat's sonar to detect obstacles, or the LIDAR used by autonomous cars to create a detailed 3D map. Then we have vision sensors, which are the cameras that give a robot the ability to see the world, to recognize objects or people. And touch sensors on a robot's hands allow it to feel pressure, which is essential for gripping a fragile object without breaking it. Within a robotic system, the sensor is always the first step. A sensor detects information, the robot's brain makes a decision based on that data, and then an actuator executes the action. Without sensors, a robot would be a static, blind, and deaf machine, unable to perceive its surroundings or react to changes. They are the indispensable link between a robot and the real world.